What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Today we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck, and it's a case video. Now shout out to the good folks over at Ringke, guys. They sent your boy out some cases for the S24 Ultra. We about to check one out. And today what we got going on is the ONYX in the dark green colorway. Now this is typical Ringke packaging here, and I definitely don't mind this from Ringke because they got budget friendly prices, and I definitely put a link down in the description. Just tear it open like so, get this bad boy up out of here, and this is a good looking case, guys. This is a clean, minimal case. I've done this on several devices before, and as you can see, just a very clean, very minimal TPU. But it's not a real flimsy and just cheap TPU. It actually has some protective value to it. As you can see, save 20% off Ringke accessories. Now just taking a look at the case, guys, it's a TPU, but at the same time it's stiff and it's sturdy, so in certain situations it'll definitely protect your device. But more so, I feel like this is just a clean, minimal case. When you want to spend a couple bucks, you don't want to go crazy on the case, you want something that's not too bulky, you just want something that's nice and clean. Take a look at the inside, got some Ringke branding, all cutouts on deck, button press with the slits. So you can see cutouts for each camera. I like that. They cleaned up the camera section. See, like on the corners, it's raised up, it's bolstered up for some protection, guys. So definitely put some drop protection on the edges. Look, got a little spot for a lanyard, and that's on both sides. And we got some Ringke branding going on. Now in hand, guys, this is a very minimal case. Doesn't add any bulk at all to the phone, and you got a raised lip all the way around the screen, so that's a nice touch. Easy natural button press because of the slits, and this is actually more protective than I thought, guys. Look how it's raised up. It protrudes past the camera lenses on the back of this device. You definitely want to protect these camera lenses, so this is minimal but protective at the same time. I like how they raised up these little lips way past the camera lens. You can see it in the camera how much is raised up, so if you drop this, the case is going to take the impact, not the camera lens. Nice big cutout for your S Pen, your Type-C, and your speaker. So just wireless charge on this one, no MagSafe. This is just like a minimal protective case when you just want something nice and minimal, add a little bit of protection, don't cost too much, and you're not looking for a whole lot from a case. You can definitely find some budget cases that's quality and add a little protection from Ringke. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'll put a link down in the description. I'm out. Peace.